Hello everyone, welcome to the another video of Concept X. So today we are going to discuss about the gray matter and white matter. So what are they exactly? How these two terms are related with each other, and it is a major part or major discussion in our central nervous system. So this is our brain. So it is a cross section of our brain, or we can say it is a transverse section of brain, or you can say TS, transverse section of our brain. So if our brain is look like this, let's suppose this is our brain, this is cerebellum, and this is our brain. So if I cut the brain like this way, and from the top I see my brain, then my brain will look like this. So this is the top view of the brain. So now here you can see this is the periphery of the brain is in gray in color. So it is in gray, and the middle portion it is in white in color. As it is the periphery is gray in color, that is called the gray matter, and this is middle portion is called white matter. So gray matter is nothing but the periphery of our cerebrum. This is the cerebrum and cerebral cortex. This is periphery is called cortex part. So periphery is called cortex. In our brain, the peripheral layer is called cortex, and cortex in gray in color. In cerebellum also you find the cerebellum cortex is gray in color, and middle portion, middle inner core is white in color, both in cerebellum and cerebrum, as it is a cerebrum, main brain. So here we are discussing about this one, our cerebral gray matter and cerebral white matter. So why it is gray and why it is white? The question is this one. So I think you have the clear about what is gray and what is white matter in our cerebrum. So it is our brain, this is the cerebrum, then periphery or the highlighted portion is called cerebral cortex, which is gray in color. So it is cerebral cortex, which is gray in color, and middle portion it's also cerebrum, but it's not the cortex, so which is white in color. The middle part is white in color and cortex part is gray in color. Now our question is why it is in gray in color and why it is in middle portion is white in color. So for that purpose we need to understand the basic structure of neuron. So it is a typical neuron. So these are myelin sheaths. So this is the myelin sheath. So this is myelin sheath, this is dendrites, and these are axon terminals. The thing is, if myelin sheath is present, then myelin sheath color is white. So myelin sheath color is white. So myelin sheath color is white, and our cell body, its color is gray. Our cell body's color is gray. Color of our cell bodies, color of our dendrites, color of our dendrites and cell bodies, it is in gray in color, and our axon is also gray in color. Overall whole neuron is gray in color, but the thing is, as the myelin sheaths are wrapping around that axons, that's why our axon is white in color, but they're originally same gray in color. If myelin sheath, we remove that myelin sheath, then whole neuron will become in gray in color, as that myelin sheaths are present and it's wrapping around our axons part by part. That's why whole axon is look like white in color, and the rest of the other parts is look like gray in color. The thing is, what is the location of our neuron inside our brain? So in our cortex, there is a neuronal cell bodies are present. So in our cortex, neuronal cell bodies are present. So these are neuronal cell bodies, and their axon terminals are coming out like this way. So it is the neuronal cell bodies, axon terminals will coming like this way. So this is axon terminals. Can you correlate now? What is the concept? Why it is in green color? So what have I told you? That the cell body, it is in green color, and cell bodies are basically found in the periphery or in cortex part. Means all the highlighted parts, in that part our neuronal cell bodies are present, and neuronal cell bodies are green color. So as lots of small cell bodies are present in the periphery or in the cortex part of our cerebrum, that's why our cortex is look like green color. And if cell bodies is there, then definitely axons will be there. So axons are coming out from the periphery, and they reach the middle portion. As their axons are coming to the middle, and after that what will happen? They are make a bundles, and that bundles will go down towards the spinal cord. So it is the top view. If I consider the side view, then it will look like this. Suppose this is the brain, this is cerebellum, and it is spinal cord. Then our cortex part is this one. This is the cortex part. So our cell bodies will be present here. If cell bodies is present there, then their axons will coming down. So this is the cell bodies. The whole cell bodies is green color, suppose different color I am using, and their axons are coming down like this way, and then they'll make a bundles, and that bundle will go deep down towards the spinal cord. So that's why in that diagram all the cell bodies are present at the periphery or at the cortex part. That's why, as we know, the color of cell bodies is green color. So as lots of cell bodies are present, that's why whole periphery or whole cortex is color is become green, and lots of millions of bundles of or millions of axons are continuously coming out from their cortex. So that's why that middle portion is full of axons. That's why color of axons is white, as you already know. So when lots of white threads are coming out, and when they accumulate, then the whole portion is becoming white in color. This scenario is little different in spinal cord. In other video I will go to that, but in this video please understand the gray matter and white matter, why they are called gray and why they are called white. They are called gray because cell bodies of our neuron is gray in color, and myelinated sheath containing axons are white in color. As our cell bodies are present basically at the periphery of our cerebrum, which is called the cerebral cortex. That's why the cortex is look like gray in color, because they are full of cell bodies. And if cell bodies is present, then definitely there will be axons terminals, definitely axons will coming down, and those axons are myelinated axons. When lots of millions of axons are continuously coming, and they are form a accumulation inside the middle, because they cannot form accumulation at the periphery, because periphery is already occupied by cell bodies, neuronal cell bodies. So periphery is accumulated by neuronal cell bodies, and middle portion is full of myelinated axons. As the myelinated axons color is white, that's why when lots of white threads coming and accumulated in a space, then whole portion is becoming white in color. And their cell bodies are gray in color. So when lots of cell bodies are accumulated at the periphery, that's why the whole periphery's color is become gray. So that's why it is called gray matter and white matter. Gray matter color is, name itself suggests that it is a gray in color and it is the white in color. But the question is why they are gray and why they are white. Their main gray formation is because of the nasal bodies. There is some granules present inside the cell bodies, and because of them our cell or our neuronal cell bodies has become gray in color. And axons, there also nasal bodies are present, but myelinated seeds they are white in color. So when there is a gray thread present, and when we wrap around some kind of, or when we cover that gray thread with white substance, then whole thread will become white. So that's why it is white matter. So I hope you got the concept. So if you like the video, then please share with your friends, and thank you.